Good morning. We are here in Magic Kingdom. What are we doing today, Adam?
We're going to ride some rides, but most importantly, we're going to try to ride TRON Lightcycle Run.
We are here for a special preview. TRON does not open until April 4th, but we are here in March to take a look and see how it is to ride it when you're in a wheelchair. And so we're excited to have that opportunity to show that to you.
TRON Lightcycle Run is a thrilling, high-speed roller coaster type ride in the dark. Users be warned. The Lightcycle Run makes sharp turns with sudden drops and stops. Attention users. You are
Team
about to
Blue,
enter the tunnel.
welcome to the grid. Proceed to gates.
Holy cow. Two, and we need the back.
You need the back? Okay.
Yes.
Here for just a second.
Yep.
Are you guys go ahead and wait right over here for me?
Okay.
We're about to head on the ride. It is very blue inside of here, so lights and lights looks pretty cool.
Yes. All right, sit on the thing. Are we secure? Okay, all right. No flying out.
Performance and victory for Team Blue.
Hello,
my friends.
Hello. Step out the other side. It was, I mean, I'm not a big roller coaster fan, but I liked it a lot, and it was quick. So if you don't like roller coasters, it'll be over soon. So I kept remembering that in the scary parts.
Maybe 45 seconds to a minute, maybe 90 seconds, and then you're done.
Yeah, it's quick.
It's a fast ride.
Yeah.
Just like Guardians, I think.
In terms of speed, yes.
Yeah.
Although I believe, actually, I'm not sure what speed this gets to. You can see it in the background, and we had a lot of fun. So it's based after the Tron Legacy movie. There's two Tron movies, one that happened a long time ago, and then one that happened in like 2010-ish. I just watched the new one in order to understand this ride. You don't have to. So there's like one scene where they're kind of fighting for their life in this like motorcycle race, and you're in that. The end.
So we're a player, so as you know, we're a player, so that's what you basically fight. That's what's going on.
You're going into a lot of detail that us non-nerdy people don't care.
Okay.
So as you can see in the segments that are coming behind us, you are riding a motorcycle, and they do have a test seat. I tried out the test seat. I did fit in the test seat, but you don't have to ride that way. There is a car in the back that is more like a Guardians car, and so you can ride in that car instead.
It's just the same like on the other rides, Guardian, or basically there's a small step, or like you basically transfer over, or you can like side transfer into the vehicle. Yes.
So it's a tab. It's a transfer access vehicle, and so the door does open, and there's a platform for you to sit on. So if you wanted to bring a board, you could do a proper slide transfer. Otherwise, if you can stand and pivot, then that's going to be your friend. Just sit on the platform first, swing your legs in, and then move into the seat. So it was pretty quick. He was able to ride his wheelchair right up to the ride vehicle. If you're in an ECV, you can stay in your ECV for the outside part of the queue. So if you're worried about the heat and all that, you'll be fine in your ECV for the outside part. But before you get into the inside part, you're gonna have to go park your ECV and then come back.
Because the queue is longer, you have a lot of time to get in. So don't worry about that.
Yeah, you won't feel rushed. It takes them a while to load the car. So know that you have all that time, basically. A couple of warnings to know about this ride. There are a lot of people whose bodies are not going to fit on the light cycles for whatever reason. If you have big calves, that's actually the biggest issue. It's not even like waist size or anything. It's the size of your calves. If you're tall, like with really long legs, your body just may not want to be in that configuration. If that's the case, you also can use the same seats that we did that are meant for the wheelchair users. So, but what that means is that the line might be a little longer than you're used to waiting for the accessible vehicle, because there are going to be more people who need the special access than you normally encounter on a Disney ride. Not every train or whatever they call them has the tab on it. So we just had to wait for the next one with the tab. Seems like it's like every other one that have the tab, and plenty of them are going with empty tabs. So right now they seem fine, but there might be a line for them when it opens to the general public.
It's pretty fun, quick ride. It is intense in the beginning, but overall it's like a very, very enjoyable ride.
Yeah, it's a great ride. You're gonna love it. They do have rider swap. They do have DAS. So all the typical things. But it will be a virtual queue when it opens for the public. All right. Thank you for watching our channel. If you like our content, please subscribe, and we will see you in the next video.